Thanks so much for having me into your home today, Adrienne. I'm really quite excited to be here to do a paint color consult for your bedroom. But before we get to that, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business and I'm a single mom, so life is just really busy. So I'm looking forward to your help in cutting through the clutter.
And sometimes choosing color can be scary, so I'm glad I'm here to help. And something to start with would actually be this new Dulux Perfect Palette. It's actually quite versatile. The colors work together really well. I'm thinking about picking maybe a couple colors for your bedroom, maybe a feature wall. When you move on to the rest of your home, you use the rest of the colors and it'll all come together.
Sounds great.
Shall we get started?
Yeah, let's go. So this is the bedroom.
Oh, this is fantastic. I love the space, love the light.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Actually, what great bedding. Is that staying?
Yes, I love this bedding and I want to use it sort of as the foundation for our color palette.
Oh yeah, I think there's some great sources of inspiration here for your wall colors. In fact, let's start with the grays. Something like this perhaps. It really picks up the grays quite nicely here.
It's really pretty.
It's lighter than what you've got on the wall color, so that'll really help to balance the light, medium, and dark tones in the space. And then what about your feature wall color? I think there's some great sources of inspiration for that as well.
Yeah, like I'd love a nice pop of color, but I do want to stay away from the light pinks. Like I'd like something not quite so feminine, maybe a bigger, richer pop of color.
A little less precious and perhaps something a little more deep and rich here, like this color. This could work quite well. That one's called Baked Bean. That sounds
gorgeous.
Nice. It's always best to take a look at them in a vertical way.
Okay.
That's how we put them on the walls. Make sure that you don't necessarily check it against the existing color because that can really affect how a paint color reads. So if we take a look at how Baked Bean looks against the color there on a vertical.
It's stunning.
Really beautiful.
Yeah.
And then of course we're pairing it with gray shadows. That's a really nice color scheme coming together.
I love that combination.
Like it. Great.
Yeah.
Well, that was actually quite straightforward and simple to pick from the palette. So now that we've got our colors chosen, let's get painting. Well, Adrienne, welcome to your newly refreshed bedroom. What do you think?
Oh my God, I love it.
Excellent.
It is cozy and the sanctuary, and I was a little bit concerned. I wanted that pop of color, but I was worried that it would be a bit like overshadowing, or I'm not sure, like domineering, and it's really cocooning, intimate.
Well, it gives the room the focal point, a feature wall that it was lacking before.
Yeah.
And a real richness.
It's
so glad you're happy with it.
Yeah, thank you.